Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratiksha Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So in my today's video, I'm going to share with all of you this very simple yet very beautiful painting idea that I did for one of my customers on this 3-meter unstitched cloth material. So as you can already see that the base color or the color of the cloth is of white color because that was the demand of my customer. She asked me to paint something on this colored cloth, so I bought this from a local market and I really love this color because the color is such that no matter what you paint, it always looks very beautiful and very gorgeous. Anyways, so as you can see that I've already started with the painting, but before that I did a rough sketch first. Now this is completely optional. If you are sure that you want to paint a certain thing and you're sure about it completely, so you can absolutely skip this part. Even I don't do sketches usually, but since this is for one of my customers, I wanted it to be absolutely perfect. So all the distance and the sizes of all the paintings that I'm doing, I wanted them to be similar, so it's better to do a sketch first. All the measurements needed to be perfect, so for all these reasons I did a rough sketch first and then I started painting. Here I'm going to use only one color that you're seeing, which is maroon color, and using this just one color I'm going to do the entire painting here. And I'm using round brush number 0 here for doing the painting because these are very intricate works and having a very thin brush is very important. So this is round brush number 0 and I'm using acrylic colors here. So here as you can see that I am painting the border first, but honestly this is the very first time I painted border for any unstitched cloth material because I usually don't do that. I only paint on the body and they absolutely look beautiful, but this time my customer, she wanted me to paint a beautiful border for her that would fall on the bottom of the kurti when she stitches it. So I did it for her and honestly I am in love with the end result. When the entire painting was finished, when I saw the end result, I was totally in love with it. You will also, I'm sure, love it when you see the final look. Anyways, here I think also the choice of color played a major role in making the piece look so gorgeous. This maroon color on this off-white cloth, it was really looking very beautiful and gorgeous. Very simple paintings can also turn out into something very beautiful and gorgeous just by the choice of colors. Anyways, here I'm using a dotting tool and I'm doing polka dots here. I have a set of dotting tools and this one is the biggest size that I have, which I've used here. And if you don't have a dotting tool, don't worry, you can use anything that has a round and flat base. Just dip it in paint and you will get a similar result. And here just have a look, just by adding some polka dots, how beautiful this border has transformed. It is looking so pretty, isn't it not? So the border part is done. Now let's start painting the body. So here for the body, I first drew a hexagon shape here and then I'm doing the detailings. So here once again I did a rough sketch with pencil because I wanted it to be perfect, and then I have started using the paints. And here also I'm doing a very nice thick border. I'm doing alpona here because that is a very close art form that we Bengalis have. We do alpona everywhere and I'm not an exception. I totally love painting alpona, and if you do it properly it looks really pretty. You will understand what I'm saying when you see the end result. So once the border is done, then I'm going to start painting inside the hexagon. So the border here I'm doing it very nicely so that it makes the piece look even more gorgeous. Now that the border part is complete, here I'm painting a big lotus. Now as my customer wanted me to do it in floral motif, so I thought this lotus would sort of become like a focal point for the entire painting that I'm going to do for the body, and then I'm going to paint something around it. By the way, here I'm only be sharing with you the painting that I did for my customer. But if you want to know all the details or the step by step process of how you can paint on an unstitched material like this easily, then I do have many videos related to this topic in my channel, so please do go and check them out. And also I will be sharing the links of some of those videos in the description box of this video, so please check them out. I have many other videos on this channel, so if you haven't checked them already, then I would request you to kindly go and check them out. There I have shared with all of you different painting ideas, like how you can paint on blouse or men's kurta or different other random things, how you can paint on bottles, how to paint on canvas, how to do DIYs, how to paint on unstitched materials like this, and many other ideas. So if you haven't watched them already, I would request you to kindly go and check them out. I'm sure you will find them helpful. So yeah, here as you can already see, I'm doing random floral motifs here, and I'm just filling in the gaps. And the more intricate work you can do, the more beautiful it will look, the more gorgeous your painting will turn. So always try to do detailings as much as possible, try to make it intricate as much as possible, because that will make your painting look so gorgeous. And here I'm almost done with the painting. And then I was literally confused because I couldn't understand what next I should do to make the painting look even more full. So at times you do have that, because I personally, when I start painting, I don't have a clear idea. I just start painting and then I just go on and on and on. So I'm almost done with the painting, and this is the final look. Just have a look, guys. Isn't it looking so gorgeous and beautiful? And I'm totally in love with the border, by the way. So do hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know what you felt about it in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do consider subscribing, and I will be seeing you very soon with another new video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.